Hey there! Let's dive into a quote that, on the surface, seems pretty simple. Be curious, not judgmental. Maybe you've heard it attributed to Walt Whitman or even caught it on Ted Lasso. There's something about these words that feels like a deep, refreshing breath of air. So, let's unpack this quote.
Wait, what?
At first, it might seem like one of those motivational cliches, the kind you'd see on a poster with a kitten dangling from a tree branch. But hold on a second. The more you sit with it, the more it unfolds into something really profound. Especially in today's world, where being judgmental feels like the default setting for so many of us. Think about it. How often do we judge without even realizing it? Someone suggests an out-of-the-box idea, and our first instinct is, nope, not gonna work. Why? Because we're stuck in our own narrow perspective. Judgment has a way of blinding us like that. But curiosity? That's a total game changer. Instead of dismissing, it asks why. Why does this person think their idea could work? What problem are they trying to solve? Maybe, just maybe, there's some brilliance hidden beneath the surface. It's like picking up a book you were convinced you'd hate, only to find your new favorite story. Curiosity invites empathy, and empathy builds connection. And guess what? This doesn't just apply to other people. It's huge for personal growth too. When we judge ourselves, we spiral into negativity. But curiosity, it opens the door to self-compassion. Instead of saying, I messed up, I'm such an idiot, we can pause and ask, why did I react that way? What can I learn from this? And that brings us back to that iconic moment from Ted Lasso. You know the one. Ted playing darts with the guy who's, let's just say, full of himself. Instead of snapping back or trying to one-up him, Ted just asks a few simple, genuine questions. It's curiosity in action, and it completely flips the script, turning ego into humility and connection. So how do we bring this into our own lives? It starts with noticing. Pay attention to your thoughts. The next time you're tempted to judge yourself, someone else, or even a situation, ask yourself, what's the story I'm telling myself? Is there more to this than I'm seeing?
Wait, what?
So here's your challenge. Choose curiosity over judgment. If you need a little inspiration, rewatch an episode of Ted Lasso. Trust me, it's good for the soul. But more importantly, lean into curiosity every chance you get. It just might be the superpower we all need right now. Thanks for tuning in to The Way to Wellness, quote of the day. Stay curious, stay open, and who knows? Maybe your next big discovery is just a question away. See you next time.
Wait, what? Wait, what?